to the point where you can even Hey guys, I'm here in Los Angeles by Marina Del Rey and it's so beautiful. Earlier today it was so overcast and very foggy to the point where you couldn't even see the top of those buildings. But now it's pretty. I'm thinking I may take the drone out and see if I can get some drone shots. But I also want to edit my vlog for tomorrow, so let's see. By the way, if I didn't share already, it is Sunday, December 29th. December 29th. A lot of the times I like to be in bed while I edit, which is not a good routine to have because when I get too comfortable, is that my phone? Did y'all hear that? Oh, that's outside. I don't think you heard that. That's crazy. Anyways, it's not a good routine to have because homegirl gets tired. I get tired and I'm already in bed and it's so comfortable that I'm like, you know what? It won't hurt if I roll over for just a couple minutes. And then when I roll over, I'm gonna drop asleep. God help me. But yeah.
진작에 협조했으면 좋았잖아.
Guys, I came here because the gas tank flap literally broke off when the car was getting washed. So the car wash owner said if I went to the dealership and got a new, not the dealership, the Mercedes, and got a new one, he would reimburse me, and he did. I did get a new one, but it's black, so my uncle has to spray paint it white for me. So that's why I'm here to pick it up. Hopefully he did it. Let's go inside and see. I don't even know if he's here and I don't see his car. No, he's not here.
Does that turn me off? Does that turn me off completely? You don't notice?
Good morning. It's December 31st. And yeah, this is the last day of 2024. I'm gonna just record a little bit of what I'm doing today. Washing the car. I think I may cook dinner tonight just for me and mommy. And I'm trying to think of what else. I want to go buy a New Year's outfit for tomorrow because I was not planning on doing anything, but I'll be in Jamaica tomorrow. So let's go on the road and do that. And I need to do my hair, but I don't think I'll record that. just using my phone because it's a little bit more convenient right now. I got a cinnamon roll, and I'm slightly depressed because I didn't see anything at Zara. So I'm just like, what the heck? It was so much stuff on sale, but everything just looks so ugly. And this is like the new part of the sale. It's not even that deep yet, you know. You know what I mean? Like, it's not even the end of the sale, it's the beginning of the sale, and everything looked ugly. I was shocked. So I'm gonna look over at another Zara, and then if I don't find anything, I'm just gonna go home. All right, guys, back on the camera. I just recorded a little bit on my phone, and I was fully prepared to leave, but Alex convinced me to go back because the closest Zara is either in Manhattan or in Connecticut. Me just go back, but I just don't. There's no white. There's nothing white. The things that are white look like church clothes. So I'll be back. Okay, I'm cooking dinner. I'm making the ribs now, and I know this part of the vlog is so hectic. Bear with me. I want to shout out Paulette. It's one of my subscribers. I met her, and I believe it's her daughter, at Zara today. So Paulette, big up yourself. Thank you for stopping me. We took a picture together. She's so beautiful, so kind. I just thought that was really, really nice. They're doing a New Year's Eve performance outside of the apartment, and I hope the CVS is open because I need to try and grab some stuff from there. But it's so nice. My hair looking crazy, but we're gonna fix this before the New Year's come.
Once you get started, you can't sit down. Even though music stopped, I can still sing it. Come on and clap those hands. Come join our party and merry-go-round.
This brush, because this brush is perfect. It's the perfect amount of stiffness, if that makes sense. Like, if you know, you know. But yeah, and then I'm gonna get these Falscara lash extension thingamabobs. I'm just gonna try it out because I don't really want to. I want lash extensions, but I just always seem to convince myself out of it. So I'm gonna try the Falscara ones. And I've done lash extensions 3 times before, and I loved how they look, but I just don't want my natural lashes to get weak, and I won't be able to be as consistent, and I'm not gonna walk around looking crazy. So this is my best bet. Yes, I'm back at home, and I got everything that I needed to get. Don't look at my boobs. I'm just kidding. I got everything that I needed to get. So I need to check back on this ribs because I had left it unattended. Well, mommy's right there, but unattended. So I'm about to take the ribs out and put some of the homemade honey bourbon barbecue sauce, on honey bourbon teriyaki barbecue sauce on the ribs, and then put it back in for another 10-15 minutes because it's been over an hour. Let me show y'all what the ribs are looking like. They're white. Let me put the sauce on it first, and then I'll show you what they're looking like. This will be much easier to help me flip them. All right, so I showered off and I put on this dress. I'm bloated. It's very natural, so it is what it is. I really like this dress. I have a sports bra on, and I was like, oh my god, I hate the way this looks. But now I'm thinking, you know what? It looks cute and it's fine. Oh my god, the bloating does look crazy, but it's that time. And in 2025, I'm just gonna have to start accepting my body a little bit more for what it is. And she carries my soul, so I'm gonna give her a break, you know? And the ribs are all finished. We're gonna saute the vegetable now. So I'm gonna turn on the stove. I'm gonna actually just spray some of this palm olive oil in the pot. And I'm gonna put some butter. I'm also gonna steam some broccoli. And then after that's done, I'm gonna do my hair and just refresh my suitcase. By the way, I did not get to wash the car today. I tried to call the place that I went to because I only ever gave them cash and I didn't have any cash on me. So I tried to call them to see if they accepted card and they didn't answer. So I figured maybe they're closed today. Our Old Faithful Buddy Country Rock. And I'm gonna only put like that much. Oh my god. Ooh. All right, hold on. Stressing myself out. I'll be right back. Hey guys, so this is mommy's plate. Trying to stay away from like, you know, a lot of unnecessary carbs, so a lot more vegetables and our protein. This is my plate, and now we're gonna sit and watch Love Actually together. Officially starting off with my vlog camera in Kingston. Everything else that you saw that was leading up to now, minus a couple clips, were on my phone. So utilize this time to use your phone to vlog, create content with your phone. We all have to start from somewhere. And a lot of our phone contents have really great camera quality. But we are at the hotel now. I'm going to get undressed, shower, eat, and then figure out our motive for the rest of the day. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in a second. Oh my god, can y'all hear me? The microphone was so far, I'm gonna have to test that out. My cousins are here. I'm gonna go down to the lobby and hang out with them for a bit. I haven't seen Tashauna in literally almost 2 years, so I'm really excited to see her. And they all like my outfit. I got it from Shein. She's so cute. Guys, look at Danine and Devani. Oh, look at, I'm dead. Getting all nervous. You're made for the camera. Thank you. You could do some vlogs. Devani, why are you so nervous? Devani is actually nervous.
I'm so camera shy. Every time we take pictures.
Yeah?
Yeah, here's another picture of her. Yeah.
And then we got Sashana.
It's been so long.
It's been a long time. They're going to start obsess over, you know, and go find the Instagram again and all this stuff.
It's Sashana876. That's a ton of that W.
If you're an OG, then you know Sashana, because they always ask like, where's your cousins? And they ask for Malik.
Yeah.
But if you're new here, you may not know, but these three are my cousins. And if you go into like some of the older vlogs, they're basically like just born.
But
if you go into older vlogs.
No, but look on the older vlogs, because oh my god. Shade doing bad?
I did not used to do them bad. I them used to do.
I remember the one video we did oh god, it was like a 2020 video. Like in the arms of
Oh my god.
It's giving in the arms of an angel.
Get out. It was never that bad.
love that
Me always make sure me look good though.
I just go here and do everything on and me look like, you know, geriatric. I was scrolling through the old videos and seeing Sasha and I was like, Jesus. I remember one particular thing I was in the
You know what?
rip up dress and then
I remember that just yes.
back dress.
I had you used to love wearing those masks. You probably didn't have a mask on too. Cause Sashana used to love wear the mask.
Like, say hi to the vlog, right?
They used to hate me. They used to hate me, guys. They used to never want to be in the vlog, but I understand now.
Now we miss you and we miss the vlog.
Oh.
Probably I wonder.
Guys, my cousins just left and it's really motivating me to see them a lot more and to see my younger siblings and just the family members that love me and that I love and that make an effort in my life. I really should make more of an effort to see them, and 2025 is that year for me. I'm gonna head back up to the room. I may come back out because over Emancipation Park look lively. That looks really lively, and I want to get some food from KFC, so I have to go see. Hold on, my customer called me. Hello? Hold on, let me put you on speaker. Hello?
Yeah. Hey, you have your thing off on IG that's allow you to like, because I'm trying to tag you on the story.
I deactivated that like 6 weeks ago.
You deactivate so I can't tag you?
No, you can't tag me because it's like technically it's not there.
Oh, alright.
Yeah.
Oh, you deactivated it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Instagram full of too much what they call it now?
Gossip?
Watch something spirits. Watching spirits, wavering
Watching
spirits.
spirits? What's that?
Wavering,
What's it called?
like
wavering?
people that watch you but don't like really like, you know, like it's just too negative over there.
Don't interact with your
Yeah.
That's so true.
Yeah, that's why
like why I have all these people
and then I get like 50 like and you have 700 people that look for you like oh no.
I look on it more than 700 too.
Exactly. It's creepy. That's why, you know, they can never get none on TikTok because TikTok just have that like people will support you. They will support. They don't know you from anywhere, but they'll support you.
They just like it because you like the content.
True. Anywho, but put my name, at least put my YouTube, put Bicana Brown on YouTube.
Bicana.
On YouTube.
Okay. Bye.
Bye, love you.
Love you.
We can just walk up a little bit. We're walking over to KFC. I think I really need it as well, just to get some food for tomorrow, because tomorrow I go from Kingston to Miami, Miami to Grand Cayman, back to Miami, and then I have a very short layover in Miami. I think it's about 12 hours. And then we head back to New York in the morning, one flight, and we'll get back to New York around 10. So nice, 10 a.m. that is, very nice, very early day. Guys, there's a KFC. I hope there's no line. Well, if there's a line, we'll go stand up in night because we need food for tomorrow. The line inside this KFC is crazy, guys. I don't know if we're gonna be able to do it because it's wild. Wow. Murder for someone to the KFC line is long. Thank God I'm not dead for hunger. The food is secure. We got our drink and KFC.
So we're all good to go. I still want to check out Emancipation Park because it looks so lively. So we'll see how that goes. All finished. Oh, tripping. Girl, what's going on?
Wait to taste your skin.